Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a clean state. Quit Valorant and the Riot client, then open Task Manager and end any lingering Riot or anti-cheat processes so they cannot hold connections. Next, confirm connectivity. Run a 1-minute ping to 104, 160, 141, 3 and watch for packet loss. This tells you if the network is unstable. Once done, restart your router and PC and disable any VPN or third-party firewall temporarily so nothing is blocking Riot service. Now you dive deeper. Run the Riot client repair tool and reinstall Vanguard if the repair flags anti-cheat errors. This resolves many disconnect causes. Then flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons and renew your IP with ipconfig/release followed by /renew to clear stale routing. Make sure your network drivers are current. Outdated drivers cause drops. Finally, set DNS to Cloudflare 1, 1, 1, 1 or Google 8. 8, 8, 8 for faster, more reliable resolution. This reduces. Finish by rebooting, launching the Riot client as administrator, and joining a practice match to validate stability. Watch ping and packet loss closely. If you still see drops, run a traceroute to identify which hop fails. This pinpoints whether the problem is local, ISP, or Riot. If the traceroute shows ISP issues, contact your provider and share the results. Make sure to test on wired Ethernet. If wired works but Wi-Fi fails, focus on router settings or replace the wireless adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.